This is so much fun!
Let's spin around! Woo! Again! Noah, how beautiful butterflies are!
They really are, Lily.
Look at all the colors!
So pretty! Oh, this flower is so beautiful. I want to take it.
Wait, Noah, don't pluck it,
Why?
because the plant will get hurt.
Plants feel pain?
Yes, plants are living things.
Really? But how do plants live? They don't walk, talk. How do they grow?
I think we should ask Mom.
Yeah, let's go! Mama!
What happened, Noah?
Do plants feel pain?
That's a very interesting question.
Mom, Noah wanted to pluck a flower.
Plants are living things, so we should care for them.
But Mom, how does a plant grow? Yeah, tell us.
Well, plants need sunlight, water, and soil.
So they drink water? Exactly, like us.
How does a small seed become a big plant? Do you want to see it in real life?
Yes!
Then let's do a small experiment. This is a seed.
A seed? This tiny seed?
Every plant starts from a seed.
Yes.
When a seed is planted in the ground, there is a tiny baby plant inside it, just waiting to grow. As moisture seeps into the soil, it eventually reaches the seed's outer shell. The seed then absorbs this water, which causes it to swell and eventually crack open. This process turns the seed's nutrients into energy. With this energy, the roots stretch down into the earth, and the plant grows upwards to seek sunlight. And a tiny plant comes up.
Wow!
It's like a baby plant.
Exactly.
Mom, why are we digging a hole?
As the plants are growing, now we move the plant to a bigger place so it can grow stronger.
Oh,
Let's be gentle.
it looks happy.
Finally, we water the plants so they can grow. Plants need sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide from the air to grow.
Just like I need food, water, and air to grow. Exactly!
Plants are living things just like us. This is how a tiny seed grows into a plant. When we take care of plants, they grow healthy and beautiful.